Hello, this is Victory here. We have one set of the water sponge machine, which is a square tube that is a simple machine because it's combined the forming machine and one set of the bending and the necking machine, and it's separated. Here's the finished product, and here is the machine. Operation panel, cutting system, and here is the machine. And here is wall panel with chain transmission. This is economic machine. And here, the profile is going to clamp. Here, going to clamp by some siding roller. And for example, on this roller, we have this unit. This machine will cut the water sponge into lengths, and then we have to move to this machine. This part is for bending, S-bending, and here is for necking. It's separated the machine unit. This is economic line. Chain transmission, wall panel, H-beam structure, economic machine. Okay, if you need a water sponge, you can come to Lotus. We will give you the fully solution. No matter 3-in-1 or some simple economic machine, a square tube or round tube, we have the solution for you. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.